Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, today my topics is very important topics, that is regarding about the practice. जो practice होता है वो ऐसा क्या होता है, like the people they know what is practice, but nobody knows how to implement that. जब प्रैक्टिस का टाइम आता है तो सब लोग लेज़ी हो जाता है, तो उसी के बारे में मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ। तो उससे पहले मैं आप सभी लोग को रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ कि प्लीज़ मेरा चैनल को आप लोग सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए। जो भी मैं करता हूँ वो जस्ट मेरा अकॉर्डिंग टू माई ओन एक्सपीरियंस आई यूज़ टू शेयर विथ यू गाइस, लाइक वट एवर आई फेस्ड इन माई लाइफ, बेस्ड ऑन दैट वन ओनली आई यूज़ टू शेयर. So and I hope that whatever the motivational stories and topics I used to discuss, then I hope that everybody liked for that. So that's why please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also, so that whenever there will be any new videos also, it will reach to you and you can get a notifications also. So first things, the practice. Before I talk about the practice, I'd like to talk about one person whose name is Pablo Picasso. Okay, if you go and search in the Google, you will find him. That is his name is Pablo Picasso. So Pablo Picasso is the great painter in all over the world. He's the best painter, we can say. Okay, at present situation, he is the best painter in all over the world. So if you go and Google and if you search his name, then you will find it. So I want to talk a little bit about him, that Pablo Picasso. So one day in one international airport, when he was walking, okay, when he, yeah, in the airport only, when he was walking, then suddenly what happened, one lady came. And directly talked to him, and he said that, are you a Pablo Picasso? Then Picasso says that, yes, I am. I said, it's a very pleasant surprise to meet you, that lady said to Pablo. I said, yeah. So, do I know you? I said, no, you don't know me, but as I used to say that you are a great painter. So, if you don't mind, can I just request one thing from you? That lady said to that Pablo Picasso. Then he said, what is that? He said, I'll just give you one piece of paper. Please, can you sketch a little bit something from your side for me? Anything, whatever you want. Then he said, yeah, sure. Then that lady just arranged a very fast. Within a couple of minutes, she just arranged some papers, and he just gave to, she just gave to Pablo. Then that Pablo, within few minutes, like not few minutes, just in 30 seconds, he just took 30 seconds. He was just trying to draw something, some sketches, and after he draw within 30 seconds, he just hand over to that lady. He said, take this one. Then the lady was quite surprised that how it is possible, just in 30 seconds you have completed the sketch. Then Pablo said that the sketch which you are holding in your hand, that is not only the sketch, that is worth rupees 50 lakh. The lady was surprised. What? Lady was quite surprised. I said, how come it is possible? I said, yes, it is. Then the lady was quite happy. Then Pablo also, he need to move forward. Then he just moved away from there, and then lady came again. Then when lady came back, she tried to sell that the sketch to the to the painters or big the people, whoever is interested in the paintings and all art or something like that. No, so she was trying to find out the truth behind that sketch. Then she just went and asked to the people that this is the Pablo Picasso sketch, and also when they see that yes, it is really Pablo Picasso sketch, so the people say, they ask her that okay, I'll be giving you 50 lakh for this sketch. Then the lady was quite surprised and said, yeah, it is true. Then in lady's mind that came that she want to be like him, like Pablo. And what happened, she started to search that Pablo Picasso, where is he. Then after a few days she was quite searching. Then after a few days she find that Pablo Picasso. So after she find him, then what happened, she asked him that did you remember me? That he said, in the airport, when I meet you, then I just give you one piece of paper and you have draw something for me which is worth rupees 50 lakh, right? Yeah, I remember. Yeah, it is definitely true whatever you said. So now what you want? That Pablo replied to that lady. He said, I just want that, I want to be like you, I want to learn, me also, I want to earn just in 30 second 50 lakh rupees. Then he was smiling, and while smiling, he said to that lady that, you know that which sketch I have made for you in 30 seconds, which is worth rupees 50 lakhs. In order to make in 30 seconds that sketch, it took me 30 years practice, which is worth rupees almost 50 lakhs. Then the lady was quite surprised. She said, really? I said, yes, it is. Then she realized that practice is required. So what I want to share with you guys is that, like, see, whatever you do in your life, if you don't do the practice properly with the focus, that means nothing will happen. You know the what is called, as I told you in the beginning, right? You know what is practice. If I ask you, you know what is the meaning of practice, you can answer me the practice is like this, like that, okay? But if you are going to practice, many people are there, in order to practice they feel very lazy. They don't want to wake up on time. Suppose they want to go for gym, morning time they want to do the exercise, right? And they feel sleepy, they are sleeping till 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, right? But remember one thing, the person who is to wake up on 7, 8, 9 o'clock, right? Nobody will become success in their life. Never they will become success in their life. 100% guarantee. जो जो 7, 8 बजे 9 बजे उठता है नींद से, उन लोग जिंदगी में कभी भी सफलता नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि उन लोग आदत हो गया उन लोग का देरी करके उठने के लिए. दे ऑलरेडी मेक हैबिट, नो, एक प्रैक्टिस कर लिया उन लोग की देरी करके उठने के लिए, है कि नहीं? सो तो आप लोग को सच में इफ सफलता चाहिए, इफ यू रियली वांट टू बी सक्सेस समथिंग, दैट यू प्रैक्टिस विच इज गुड फॉर योर फ्यूचर और फॉर योर कैरियर. And if you practice, anything is possible in the life. Practice does not mean that just for the few hours you are practicing then finish, not like that. You have to make consistent at that one until you achieve your goal. Until and unless you achieve your goal, you have to keep on practice, which is not impossible also, you can make to the possible, because practice only is the very very important. So that is my request, that whatever you want to do in your life, कि try to डू प्रैक्टिस मोर एंड मोर. अगर आप लोग सही तरीक़ा से प्रैक्टिस करते हो तो कुछ भी चीज़ आसान हो जाता है हम लोग को अचीव करने के लिए लाइफ में. यू डोंट नो हाउ टू स्टडी, अगर आप लोग को पढ़ाई में कमज़ोरी है, प्रैक्टिस करो तो आप पढ़ाई में भी ठीक हो जाएगा. अगर आप खेलकूद में कमज़ोरी है तो प्रैक्टिस करो, उसमें भी आदत बन जाएगा. हैबिट बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी है डिसिप्लिन का साथ, तभी जाके आप लोग कामयाबी बन सकते हो लाइफ में. ठीक है, तो आई होप दैट एवरीबॉडी लाइक माई स्टोरी, वट एवर आई हैव शेयर्ड. And please don't forget, as I said always, that don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all of you, and bye bye guys.